Hello everyone, welcome back to Wash Routine. Thank you so much for being here and spending a few minutes of your day with me. Today, I'm once again sharing a simple dishwashing routine from our home. To some people, washing dishes may look like an ordinary task, something repetitive and tiring. But for me, this simple routine carries a deeper meaning. Every day brings different challenges in life. Some days feel light and easy, while other days feel heavy and difficult. Right now, life is not easy for our family. I am unemployed and staying at home, while my wife works hard every day to support our family. She works as a cleaner in a private company, and I know how much effort, strength, and sacrifice that requires. Every morning, she wakes up early and prepares herself for work. She carries not only physical exhaustion, but also the heavy responsibility of supporting our family's needs, expenses, and debts. As her husband, seeing her work so hard gives me many emotions. I feel grateful for her strength. I feel proud of her dedication. And most of all, I deeply appreciate everything she does for us. We also have a daughter who depends on us. She is 7 years old and currently studying in grade 2. Like every parent, we want to give her a better future. We want to support her education and help her grow into a good person with big dreams. That is why every single day matters. Every effort matters. Even small things matter. Right now, I may not be able to contribute financially the way I want to, but that does not mean I cannot help. I believe helping your family is not only about earning money. It is also about being present. It is about sharing responsibilities. It is about doing what you can with what you have. That is why I do my best at home. I wash dishes. I clean the kitchen. I organize things. I take care of household chores. These may seem like small things, but in my heart, they mean so much. Every plate I wash, every bowl I clean, every spoon and every cup, these are not just dishes to me. They represent care. They represent love. They represent support. In every simple task, I remind myself that I am doing something meaningful for my family. I may not have a job right now, but I still want to lessen my wife's burden in every way I can. I want her to come home to a cleaner kitchen. I want her to feel a little less tired. I want her to know that she is not carrying everything alone. Because marriage is partnership. Family is teamwork. We support each other through good times and difficult times. This channel is also part of my journey. I created Wash Routine not only to share my daily life, but also because I hope this can become something meaningful in the future. I hope that through consistency, patience, and hard work, this channel can slowly grow. Maybe one day, this channel can help me earn income online and support my family. That dream gives me hope. It reminds me to keep moving forward. Step by step. Day by day, little by little. Life does not always move fast. Sometimes progress feels slow. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we worry. But I believe that small efforts repeated every day can create meaningful change. Even when progress is slow, progress is still progress. That is something I always remind myself. To anyone watching this video who is also struggling, to anyone working hard for their family, to anyone carrying silent burdens, I want to tell you this. Your effort matters. Your sacrifices matter. Your hard work matters. Even if no one sees everything you do, your effort has value. Keep going. Keep believing. Keep doing your best. Better days can come. As I finish today's dishwashing routine, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time here. And thank you for supporting this journey. Your support means so much to me and my family. I truly appreciate every single one of you. See you in the next video.